100 Māori Creatives is a research project that's couched within the broader Y262 program of study and development that's been evolving over the last 13 years since the tribunal report for the Y262 claim.
It's a study that's for Māori by Māori, designed to get a greater understanding of what issues are faced by our creative sector, how much they understand intellectual property and the issues that arise from intellectual property.
And we've developed a tool that will, we hope, enable us to reach out to a variety of Māori involved in a range of creative arts and get their feedback about experiences they've had of the misappropriation of their intellectual property in mātauranga, or in some cases the protection of those taonga that were guaranteed protection in Te Tiriti o Waitangi and which underpin Y262 as a treaty claim because they have not been protected by successive governments.
We know that there's issues with misuse and misappropriation of our creative industry. It's important for us to understand the extent of that misuse, but also to work with creatives to help design what our future might look like. The creatives know what they need, and it's best to learn from them so that we can help design that system, the frameworks that will, like I said, ensure that their taonga are protected, our mātauranga is protected, and it's available for future generations.
We are one part of the broader agenda of developing information, communications, tools that will help to better inform the people of Aotearoa about why Y262 is so important to all of us.
Some of the challenges we face are that we come up against this intellectual property system that is ingrained in the fabric of our society.
This is a powerful, important time, particularly because the coalition government elected last year has shown consistently that it does not necessarily see the protection of Te Ao Māori and Māori people as its highest priority. I think we all have a responsibility as citizens of Aotearoa, tangata whenua, those who were here before the treaty, tangata tiriti, those who are here because of the treaty, and as we heard today, tangata moana, our Pacifica cousins whom we have a very special relationship with, to unite, to work together to create the nation that our tupuna envisaged when they signed Te Tiriti on these very grounds 184 years ago, which was to create a nation built on mutually beneficial relationships with the tangata tiriti, mutually rewarding outcomes of sharing power, sharing governance, sharing and acknowledging our tino rangatiratanga. And that's the nation I want to see my mokopuna grow up in.